Along with proteins, amino acids like valine are commonly referred to as the building blocks of life. Our bodies not only use the amino acids as a form of energy, but they also take the amino acids and synthesize proteins, and this helps us to grow, process the food we eat, and repair the body tissues. Amino acids are classified into two categories, essential and non-essential. Valine is an essential amino acid. It's one of the 9 essential amino acids, and the body can't create these, so they have to be supplied in the diet. Thankfully, it's easy to get this by consuming a diet rich in protein. In 1901, a German chemist, Emil Fischer, was the first person to isolate valine from casein, a protein that's found in dairy products as well as breast milk. It's a building block of both plant and animal proteins. It's found mostly in the interior of proteins. The L-valine is also one of several so-called essential amino acids, for humans as well as animals and birds. The bodies of mammals and fowl can't create it, so they have to get it from food sources. An interesting fact about valine is it can be synthesized in microorganisms and plants from pyruvic acid, which is a product from the breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Some amino acids are conditional or conditionally essential, and this means you need extra amounts in times of illness and stress. Others are non-essential. This means the body is able to create them. The essential amino acids, however, like the valine, cannot be made by the body, so they have to be obtained through the diet or supplementation. This includes histidine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Certain essential amino acids, specifically leucine, isoleucine, and valine, are called the branched-chain amino acids, and this is in reference to the similar chemical structure of the 3 amino acids. They're known for their ability to encourage the building of protein in muscle and to possibly decrease the muscle breakdown. They also appear to discourage problematic brain cell messaging that can occur in people with certain serious health conditions like liver disease and anorexia. In addition to promoting muscle growth and tissue repair, another valine function is its ability to support both muscle coordination and muscle strength, while promoting an emotionally calm state. Athletes and bodybuilders are best known for supplementing with this amino acid due to its ability to prevent the muscle breakdown and to boost athletic performance. It helps to supply the muscles with extra glucose for energy production during intense exercise. Studies using both human and animal subjects support this benefit. A clinical study published in 2017 found the acute supplementation with branched-chain amino acids at 0.087 grams per kg of body weight increased the rate of recovery in isometric strength and perceived muscle soreness compared to placebo after hypertrophy-based training sessions among diet-controlled, resistance-trained athletes. More research published in 2018 in the scientific journal Bioscience, Biotechnology and Biochemistry specifically looked at the effects of valine on animal subjects during exercise. The results of the study demonstrate that the acute supplementation of the valine, but not leucine or isoleucine, is effective for maintaining liver glycogen and blood glucose and for increasing spontaneous activity after exercise, and this could contribute to the reduction of fatigue during the exercise. Supplementation with the branched-chain amino acids has been used for treating cirrhosis of the liver, phenylketonuria, athletic performance and mental decline during exercise at extreme temperature, athletic performance and post-exercise infection at extreme temperatures. It's important to stick with the recommended dose of the valine because excessive amounts can cause hallucinations and a skin-crawling sensation. Excessive valine can also cause high concentrations of toxic ammonia in the body, and this decreases liver and kidney function. Possible side effects of supplementing with branched-chain amino acids in general include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, stomach bloating, fatigue, and loss of coordination. For this reason, people who supplement with the Valine should be especially careful when driving or being involved in other activities that require motor coordination. Rarely, the branched-chain amino acids can lead to high blood pressure, headache, and skin whitening. You should talk to a doctor before supplementing with L-Valine, especially if you have a medical condition or you're currently taking medication. Using a single amino acid supplement can lead to a negative nitrogen balance. This can decrease how well your metabolism works, and it might also make your kidneys work harder. In children, taking single amino acid supplements can cause growth problems. In general, it's typically not advised to take high doses of single amino acids for long periods of time. People with the following conditions should also avoid supplementing with branched-chain amino acids: ALS or Lou Gehrig's disease, pregnant and breastfeeding women, chronic alcoholics, and people with maple syrup urine disease. It's advised that people with kidney or liver disease should not consume high amounts of amino acids with first consulting a doctor. Children should not supplement with branched-chain amino acids unless advised by their doctors. Foods that are high in valine include dairy products, especially cottage cheese and yogurt, eggs, red meat like lamb and beef, fish like wild-caught salmon and trout, fermented soy products like natto and tempeh, turkey and chicken, and seeds including sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, flax seeds, and chia seeds. The most notable signs of a valine deficiency are neurological defects. However, most people consume adequate amounts of the essential amino acid, about 25 to 65 milligrams per 2.2 pounds of body weight. Someone who's likely to be deficient in valine would be someone who's deficient in protein in general. Athletes taking part in intense training activities have been known to supplement with a daily intake of leucine, L-valine, and L-isoleucine to avoid muscle loss and increase muscle gain. The L-valine can be taken alone, but it's recommended to take it along with the other branched-chain amino acids. A common recommendation is to look for a product that has a 2:1:1 ratio of leucine to isoleucine to valine. To book a consultation or to learn about herbs, supplements, and natural treatments, check out my website.